Researchers with images of species may want to determine the taxa present. One approach is to use a machine learning model, like the Imageomics BioClip model. For users without machine learning know-how, using a model like this can be challenging. PyBioClip makes this process simple by downloading all the required files, pre-processing your images, running the model, and labeling your predictions. Installing PyBioClip is as simple as running pip install PyBioClip in your Python environment. Creating predictions for your images is as simple as running BioClip predict, the path to your images, and the output CSV file name. The first time the tool is run, the required files will be downloaded and saved. By default, the top 5 predictions for each image are saved into the resulting CSV file. This CSV consists of a file name column, followed by the taxa columns, a common name column, and the score. The score represents the confidence the BioClip model has in the prediction. The PyBioClip documentation is available at imageomics.github.io/PyBioClip. The documentation covers using PyBioClip via the command line tool and the Python package. In addition to taxa predictions, PyBioClip supports custom label predictions, creating embeddings, and batch processing optimizations, including GPU support. The command line documentation includes tutorials on various features and viewing command line documentation help. The Python documentation includes tutorials, a reference API, and example notebooks. Each notebook includes a collab button, providing an easy way to get started. PyBioClip makes it simple to create image taxa prediction, so visit imageomics.github.io/PyBioClip to get started today. This work has been supported by the National Science Foundation under the HDR Institute Imageomics Award. Any opinions, findings, conclusions, or recommendations expressed in this material are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of the National Science Foundation.